Dudleya succulents make up a variety of more than 40 distinct species. They are most popular for their rose-like appearance and gleaming powdered foliage. These plants are much of the time called liveforevers in light of their unimaginable life expectancy. It's normal for these plants to live for somewhere in the range of 50 and 100 years with appropriate care. Dudleya Care. At the point when given the right climate, Dudleya succulents are tough, long-living plants. They favor a lot of daylight and well-depleting soil. You should seriously mull over these plants for your stone nursery or as an exceptional example of plants to add to your assortment. Light. True to form while developing succulents, Dudleya plants flourish in a wealth of daylight. Plant them in a space with full sun for the best outcomes, particularly in regions along shores. At the point when developed inland, these plants might lean towards some midday conceal. Be aware of any legginess or extending, as this means excessively minimal light. Soil. Dudleya plants require rough, well-depleting soil. Saturated soil can cause decay issues. Sandy, rough precipices or soak walls can likewise uphold Dudleya's development. They can endure somewhat acidic to somewhat antacid soil pH levels. Water. Water Dudleya establishes just when the soil is almost dry. Watering over and over again can cause spongy soil conditions. It is best not to water these plants by any means throughout the late spring months, as they go lethargic and flourish in dry circumstances. Shrinking during this time is ordinary. As fall shows up, you might have to supply water on the off chance that downpour is meager. Temperature and humidity. As anyone might expect, live-forever plants are very strong and can endure both hot and cold temperatures. However long the temperature doesn't decrease under 40 degrees Fahrenheit, Dudleya plants will stay reasonable. A few assortments are more chilly and tough than others, however, most favor dry summers and gentle, cool winters. Fertilizer. Since these plants flourish in sandy, low supplement soil, they don't need a lot of fertilizer. Try not to give any fertilizer while they are lethargic throughout the mid-year. A sluggish delivery fluid fertilizer can be given in the spring or fall.